Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Honda UK has stolen the show at the annual SMMT Test Day by showcasing a Honda Civic Type R pickup truck concept, almost a year after the launch of the standard road car. Built by a specialist team from the product engineering department at the Honda of the UK Manufacturing factory in Swindon and codenamed Project P, the Honda Civic Type R pickup truck has been modified and developed from the standard road car to create potentially one of the fastest pickup trucks on UK roads. To create the Project P concept, the team used a pre-production version and adapted the design rearwards from the C-pillars of the car, with sweeping lines from the roofline to the back hiding a flatbed loading area in the center of the car where the rear seats and boot space would normally be. Finished in Rallye Red, the concept retains the iconic rear wing associated with both the FK2 and FK8 Civic Type R, which, in a clever piece of engineering, is movable to allow direct and unfettered access to the rear of the truck. Using the same powertrain, suspension, and gearbox as the standard road car, it is estimated Project P will complete the 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint in under 6 seconds and reach a top speed of over 165 miles per hour. It also possesses the same driving modes of comfort, sport, and N-R, Project P offering both ride comfort as well as a unique racing capability on track.